are going to do the sum. So first of all, what you have to do, draw the rough diagram. So rough diagram we are going to draw it. So what they have given, first of all, MI. So MI they have given. Then what we have to draw it here? Then we have to draw 4 centimeter. Okay, this is ND they have given. After D, what we have to do it? You have to draw it like this. Next, what you have to do it? This you have to draw it as 4 centimeter. This is 100 degree. Okay, this is N. Okay, MI is equal to 3 centimeter. MI is equal to 3 centimeter. Then MD is equal to 4 centimeter. Then what they have given, angle M is equal to 50 degree. Then angle D is equal to what they have given, 100 degree they have given. Okay, so next what you have to do it, first of all, now next we have to draw the angle 3.6 centimeter. Okay, first of all we have to draw the centimeter 3.6. Okay, so this you have to, MI is equal to 3.6 centimeter you have to draw it. So next what you have to draw it, keep it here, and what you have to do it, you have to mark the angle 50 degree. Okay, have to mark the angle 50 degree, you have to mark the angle. It is the acute angle. Just mark it and put 50 degree. Next what you have to do, you have to take the 4 centimeter and you have to mark the arc. So take 4 centimeter. Okay, take 4 centimeter like this, mark the arc like that. Okay, so from here you are just taking the 4 centimeter and mark the arc. Next step is very important. From there, this is the D. Okay, so this is the D. So next what you have to do it, from D, what is the angle they have given, 100 centimeter they have given. Okay, so that is 100 degree they have given. So from the D you have to mark the angle. So from the D, what you have to do, mark the angle, you have to mark it. Okay, so this is 10, 20, 90 and this is 100. Okay, you understood carefully. Okay, so this is 100, you have to mark it. Okay, don't mark this 100. Okay, this is 90 and this 100. Okay, 80 below 100 should be there. So that is the marking. Okay, this is 100, you have to mark it. And what you have to do, you just what, join it. Okay, you understood. So likewise you have to draw it. Next what they have said, they have said to, then we have finished the 50 degree, next we have finished the 100 degree, then they have said the ND is equal to what, 4 centimeter they have said. Next what they have said, ND is equal to 4 centimeter they have said. So next what you have to do, take the same 4 centimeter. Okay, using the scale or anywhere, you just take the 4 centimeter arc. Okay, you just take the 4 centimeter arc. ND only they have said, no, MID is there, so still N. So you just keep in the D and you just mark the arc like this. Okay, so after marking the arc, what you have to do, you just join it. Okay, so you have to join it from here to here, you have to join it. Next what you have to do, you just keep it here, from here to here you just join it. Okay, so this how you have to MIN. Okay, so this how you have to join it. So this is 4 centimeter, you have to join it. And from here to here, what is the centimeter they have given? The centimeter is 3.2 centimeter they have given, and this is the angle is what, 100 degree they have given. Okay, so this how you have to do it. Now we are going to write down the construction. And before writing the construction list, again what you have to do, using the set square, you have to draw the draw the line. So you have to keep it like this. Okay, keep it like this, and you just start to draw the line. So how many centimeter you will be getting now? That is 3.3 centimeter. Okay, so keep it like this, and you just start to draw. Okay, so this is 3.3 centimeter you will be getting. So same wise here also you just see. So here how many centimeter you are getting? 2.7 centimeter you are getting. Okay, so likewise you just draw it. Okay, just draw it like this. So 2.7 centimeter you just draw it. Next what you have to do, write down the construction. So first step is what you are doing, draw the line segment MI is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Draw a line segment MI is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Next what they are doing, at M on MI make an angle MOX. Okay, so what is angle you have to make it? So MIX. So MIX equal to, what is the angle you have to make? 50 degree. Okay, so this is the X. Next what you have to do, draw an arc with center M and radius 4 centimeter. Let it cut MX it D. Okay, so next what you have to do, draw the 4 centimeter, we have to do it. Okay, so that what we have to do. Next fourth one, at D. So at D, on DM made an angle MDY is equal to 100 degree. Then fifth one, what we have to do, with D as center, draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter. Let it cut dy at N. Okay, so this is the what? Y. Next what they are saying, join DN and IN. So therefore mind is the required quadrilateral. Okay, so this how you have to make the mind sum. Okay, so this is the to do it.